At some point during your immigration process to Spain, you'll face questions about health insurance. Do I need to get one? Is it really necessary? Can't I benefit from the Spanish public healthcare system? In this video, we analyze everything you need to consider about this topic. We'll see when it's really necessary to get private insurance, what requirements that insurance must meet, and we'll also explore prices and much more. Do I need health insurance as a foreigner in Spain? The reality is that in many cases, you will need to get private health insurance in Spain. If you're a foreigner and you're in Spain as a tourist, you will need travel insurance. But if you stay more than 90 days in Spanish territory, authorities need to ensure that you are 100% covered for any type of medical need. In practice, this is resolved in three ways. On one hand, if you are going to work as an employee for a company, Social Security contributions will be automatically deducted from your salary each month, giving you access to Spanish public healthcare. If you are going to work as a self-employed worker or freelance, you will have to pay monthly Social Security contributions, started at approximately 80 euros per month during the first year, and subsequently a variable monthly amount based on your income that will range between 300 and 600 euros. But we also have the third case. What happens if you don't work for a company or as a self-employed? In other words, what happens if you live in Spain and don't contribute to Social Security? In that case, you must get private health insurance. So much so that in many immigration procedures, one of the most important requirements to obtain a residence permit is to have private health insurance. Next, we will see exactly what requirements the insurance must meet. But first, I need to ask you something important. The bigger our community grows, the more and better videos we can upload to our YouTube channel. So please, if you're not subscribed yet, you can do it now. It must include healthcare coverage within Spanish territory without restrictions. Second, no co-payments or waiting periods. It must not have waiting periods, which is waiting time to access services, or co-payments, which is additional payments for consultations or treatments. Third, hospitalization and specialties. It must cover medical consultations, emergencies, hospitalization, surgical procedures, and medical specialties. Fourth, minimum duration of 1 year. You must hire an annual insurance and it must be valid during your whole residence period. And lastly, issued by an authorized company in Spain. The insurance company must be registered and operate legally in the country. Let's now take a look at how much private insurance costs in Spain. And as always, it depends. Depending on the company, the age of the person hiring, gender, and health requirements, the price will vary. You can expect between 50 euros to 200 euros per month. Obviously, in the case of purchasing a family package, the price reduces considerably. And what are the best health insurance options for foreigners? There are many companies and insurers, and as we have seen before, the one offering the lowest price won't always be the right option. You must ensure that the insurance meets the 5 requirements we mentioned earlier. However, some of the most popular companies among foreigners are Sanitas, Adesla, or Asisa. Again, don't base your decision solely on the price. Make sure to verify that the contract meets the requirements that will make your residence application possible. In this regard, there are 2 websites that will really help you compare different options, such as Rastreator or Acierto. Again, the key will be to always compare, keeping in mind the requirements seen before. If you still have doubts or would like to receive personalized advice to succeed in your legal procedure, send us an email to us at info@balcelsgroup.com. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. See you next time.